just look for garbage.
Hello, Sal Hennig.
My typical size of audience is 5, so I really humbly appreciate everybody for coming.
You better be watching. Everyone better be watching.
And the way they've been constructed, and the sheer magnitude, the manliness of it, the machismo.
Are you single?
Heaven knows she's not an angel, but she really like to be. Lord, that's close enough to perfect.
Literally, it pisses me off. It doesn't even make me calm anymore. It makes me pissed. And I don't like that.
I really think that everyone should take care of their own rubbish.
You really have become a toilet for other people's rubbish.
In fact, we are a toilet. So I apologize if this really bothers anyone.
Oh, it's not fair, they will say.
The feeling of disease.
I feel that urge to purge.
Really?
It's important to eat really well.
But I prefer the hamburger.
Fat, out of shape, ugly, disgusting World Wrestling Federation fans on that camera. I wake up looking this good.
Karma came down to the ring.
Today, Sitch was back in a New Haven courtroom twitching.
Just blame it on alcohol.
Historic poultry building. That usually means chicken, doesn't it? I sure like chicken.
Oh, come on. Look at the eggs all over Ginger's hair, all over her face. Come on.
It's an ideological commitment to some kind of fantasy notion.
I got the Ultimate Warrior t-shirt. My mama bought it for me.
When we put it all together, the total U.S. governmental financial obligations total about $165 trillion.
Race for Oregon's 3rd congressional district. And there is Ed Baker, who's running to get on the general election ballot as an unaffiliated candidate.
And he always said nice words, nice, he always makes nice sounds about whatever it is he's talking about.
Imagine the sun 30 times.
Oh, the sun's bright.
I hope you like what you see.
So in no time at all, I was able to fill almost an entire garbage bag filled with just garbage.
Oh,
Yolks on her!
Oh, that's real cute.
You just hang me right here, right? No problem.
That went real good, Cos. Let me tell you something.